Look at these two green candles. Same color, same direction, but completely different size. Most beginners think they mean the same thing. They don't. And missing this difference has cost traders thousands of dollars. Today, you're going to understand exactly what candle size is telling you. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine two people pushing a car. One person pushing gently, the car moves, but barely. Now 10 people pushing with everything they've got. That car's flying. Same direction. Completely different strength. That's exactly what candle size tells you about the market. A small candle tells us momentum may be slowing down. One side is winning, but without much conviction. A large candle usually shows strong momentum. It tells us one side was much stronger during that period. Now let's apply this to real trading. See these large green candles? Buyers are not just winning, they're dominating. Strong momentum, high conviction. This is the kind of move professionals pay attention to. Now look at this. Price is still going up, but the candles are tiny. Buyers are winning, but the momentum is slowing down. The market may continue up, or it may reverse. That's why professionals don't jump in. They wait for confirmation. Same story on the bearish side. Large red candles. Sellers are pushing hard. Price dropping with conviction. Now compare that to small red candles. Sellers are winning, but without confidence. Momentum is fading. Buyers might be about to step back in. Here's what professionals actually look for. Large candles often show strong momentum. Small candles suggest momentum may be slowing. Mixed sizes mean the market is uncertain. But here's the most important thing. Always look at the overall chart before making any decision. One candle, no matter how big, never tells the full story. Here's one more thing before we wrap up. See this pattern? One huge green candle, then several tiny ones. Sometimes after one big move, the market pauses. That's why professionals wait for confirmation. Instead of jumping straight into the trade, beginners see green and buy immediately. Professionals see green and wait to see what happens next. That's the difference. You now understand three things about every candle: its color, its direction, and its size. That's more than most people who've been trading for months. But we're just getting started. Because next, we talk about wicks. Those thin lines above and below the candle, they reveal something even more powerful: where price was rejected. And rejection zones are where some of the biggest trading opportunities can be found. That's the next video. Don't miss it.